Hello everyone, this is Sonalika Chandra, roll number 2201 CS68.
And this is Soumya Sinha, roll number 2201 CS65. In this video, we will be demonstrating our P2P LAN file sharing application built using Python and Tkinter. So now we'll be moving to the technologies that we have used in this app. So as you can see, the technologies used in this application are Python Tkinter for GUI, SQLite 3 for database to store user credentials, and the other Python libraries are bcrypt password hashing, code secure authentication, socket programming, network connection for file transfer, file dialog, and photo image file selection, and image handling for GUI, and message box for error handling. Coming to our system, let's run to the code now.
Coming to our system, let's run the code. So after running this code, when you launch the application, you are greeted with the authentication window. Here, users can log in if they have an account or sign up if they are new. So let's start by creating a new user account. I'm clicking on the sign up button, which takes me to the sign up page. Here I will enter a username and the password. Let's say I'm adding my name and a password. If it will not correctly match, then it will show the error that password doesn't match. So we will again sign up. As the username already exists, so it is prompting that. Let's sign up using some other name. Let's put a username and the password should match here. So sign up successfully. If everything is correct, then the user is successfully registered in our database. As you can see, the registration was successful. Now let's go back to the login screen, and then we will log in. Let's log in using the new account. I will enter the username and the password that we just created, and the password. Hit the login button. When I click login, the application checks the credentials against our database and grants access if the information is correct.
Now Soumya will demonstrate the working of main file transfer page. I'm clicking on the send file button, which opens a file selection window. Here I can click on plus button to choose the file I have to send. And now I can click on this send button to transmit it over the network. Here you can see the ID of the sender is Lenovo. And you can see waiting for incoming connection message appeared. Now the file is sent over a socket connection and the sender listens for an incoming connection. Once the receiver connects, the file is transmitted in binary format. Now let's see how to receive a file. Now let's run another system. Now I will click on the I'll first run. Now I'll click on the receive button, which takes me to the receive page. Here I will add the sender's ID and the file name for the incoming file. Now, as you have seen, the sender's ID was Lenovo, and I will name it as my underscore file.txt. As you can see, file received successfully prompt appeared, and here also data transmitted successfully, file received successfully message appeared. Now I will show you the working of search file feature. Uh, so as you can see, when I searched the file as name my_file.txt, then this location appeared for my file.txt, and for the file which is not present, which has not been sent, you can see no file found matching the search term appeared. Here the results are displayed in a list box. If no matches are found, an appropriate message no files found matching the search term appeared, otherwise the file location is being shown here. And now I will show you the rate and comment feature of our application. It allows user to rate files and add comments for reference or feedback. So here I can write my file name, rating out of 5, and comment. So by clicking on submit rating, rating and comments submitted successfully appeared. And here we can click on view ratings to view the ratings as well of the my_file.txt. So its comment is good. And when we search for a file which is not present, view that no files or comments for my file appeared. Here the ratings and comments are stored in the SQLite database. Users can view existing rating and comment for a specific file. SQL queries, fetches and displays the data in a new window here. And now I will be explaining the working of my open chat button. So OpenChat basically provides a platform for real-time communication between users in the chat room. Its working is like it uses Flask Socket IO on the server side and the Socket IO on the client side. Upon login, users automatically joins a common chat room. Messages are sent by users and broadcasted to all connected users. Chat window dynamically updates with incoming messages using a separate thread for real-time data listening. I can send a message here. So since I have logged in using Soumya here, so message sent by Soumya, hey, is up. As you can see, this message is there in chat room. Uh, and now I will be opening the chat room from another system which I have logged in. As you can see, chat from Sona, and the system message appeared like Sona has joined the chat. So if she sends a message here, hi, then the message appeared on the both side. So here the events are join, which notifies all users when a new user join. Leave notifies all users when someone leaves, and the send message distributes message to all users in the room. Now I will go through the code section in brief. The chat_server.py script is a real-time chat server built using Socket.io. It handles client connections, manages events like connect, disconnect, and send message, and broadcast messages to all the connected clients or specific chat rooms. It facilitates seamless communication between multiple users in a real time. Here, Flask is used for the backend for the chat server to manage user messages in real time. Socket programming is used. Socket enables file transfer functionality using client-server communication. Flask Socket IO and Socket IO is used for real-time chat functionality. enabling bidirectional communication between client and the server. And this is the main.py script of our application. Here Tkinter is used to build the GUI for the desktop application. SQLite database is used for storing user information, file rating, and comments. bcrypt handles use secure password hashing and verification for authentication purposes. File handling is used to enable file selection and directory searching. This is the create database code for file rating and users. This is the sign up function, and this is the login user function of our code, and the open file transfer function. This is the search file function, and this is the send function, sender function, and here is the receiver function, and this is the open rate and comment button function, rate file function, and the view rating function is defined here, and this is the chat function and the buttons used in our GUI. And that's it. This was our application. Thank you.